Debra Joy Groesser back with you with a quick tip about using white. I'm going to show you a couple of different things with cool white and warm white. Titanium zinc white is one of the whites that I use. It's very cool. When you're trying to keep colors cool in your painting, you want to mix with titanium white. If you want to keep things warm, if you have warm colors such as warm light, you want to try using warm white to mix with your mixtures. Be very, very careful about using white. It's so easy for colors to get chalky. And let me show you what I mean. Let's take a little green here. And let's mix it with a little white. In fact, we'll put quite a bit of white in here. And I see this happen a lot. So look at how chalky and dull that looks. Now what happens if we add a little bit of yellow? Whenever you add white, you want to add a little bit of a color back to it. And I think you can maybe see how that brightens that back up. Just so much more bright than just the dull white. Now let's look at the difference between warm white and cool white. I'm going to mix up just a little bit of orange here. And let's mix some warm white or cool white with it. This is the titanium zinc white, which is cool. And look at how that kind of cooled off that orange. And I'm going to take that same orange and I'm going to mix it with warm white. And you can see how much brighter and warmer that looks. This is really good to remember when you're doing scenes where you have lots of warm colors and cool colors. It's why I like having not only a warm and cool of each of the primaries, but a warm and cool of each white. And just remember, anytime you add white, be sure to add another color and keep those paintings clean color and not chalky. That's this tip, and I hope this helps you with your painting.